This is the ToughBuilt Electrician Pouch. Organize your tools faster and easier. Designed for the ever-changing needs of the professional electrician. This pouch includes ToughBuilt's patented ClipTech Hub, which allows it to clip on and off any belt or ToughBuilt bag. This pouch works great by itself or part of a full rig. Made specifically for electricians, its 13 pockets and loops transform how today's professionals carry their tools. The front adjustable, easy access tool pocket is perfect for your linesman plier or wire stripper. The long tape chain easily holds multiple rolls of electrician's tape, and a tape measure clips on the front. Carries screwdrivers and socket tester in the side loops, and strippers, torpedo level, drivers, or zip ties in the deep main pocket to get the job done. Easily store a ToughBuilt notebook and pen in the top pocket and loop of this pouch. The right side has a covered pocket for a small voltage meter or wires, and 4 ladder loops provide a place to hang more tools with a carabiner. This pouch is constructed with an integrated kickstand that allows it to stand upright, on the ground, or table close at hand. Combining multi-layer, 1680 to near construction, and rivet-reinforced stress points forms the highest quality pouch on the market, boasting unmatched craftsmanship. This is the ToughBuilt Electrician Pouch. It's not just a pouch, it's ToughBuilt.